Recently, I've noticed a lot of people commenting, "I have a doubt," which is a really weird thing to say in English. And I figured out that what they want to say is, "I don't understand something," or "I am unsure about something," or "I have a question." So, what does it mean if we say, "I have a doubt"? "I have a doubt" means there is one thing that somebody already told me the answer to, and I don't believe them. They told me the answer, but I don't believe it. So that's "I have a doubt." But that's still a really weird thing to say. We would almost never say, "I have a doubt." We might say, "I have doubts," or "I have doubts about this plan," means there are a few reasons why I think this might not be a good plan. There are a few reasons why I think this plan might not work. I have doubts about this plan. So that's how you use doubt as a noun, but you can also use it as a verb. If someone tells you something and you say, "I doubt that," "I doubt that" just means I know what you are saying is the truth, but I don't really believe it. I don't really think that that happened. I don't really think that that's going to happen. I have an answer, but I don't believe the answer. I doubt that. Thank you for your answer, but I doubt that. Or I doubt it. And it can also be used to answer a question. If someone says, "Do you think it's going to rain tomorrow?" you could say, "I doubt it." "I doubt it" means I'm not sure if this thing will really happen, but I don't think it will. Or, "Do you think he did his homework?" "I doubt it" means I'm not sure, but he probably didn't. There's very little chance that he did his homework. In my mind, I doubt it. Or maybe you doubt yourself. If you doubt yourself, it means that you don't believe in yourself, you don't believe in your capabilities, you don't have a lot of confidence. You shouldn't doubt yourself. You are a very capable person. He always doubts himself, and I don't know why, because he's very talented. He's very skilled. I don't know why he thinks that he can't do anything. So we can see that doubt is about confidence, or how sure we are that something will happen or will not happen, how much we believe in something. But if there's just something that you have no idea about, something that you don't know, don't say "I have a doubt." Say, "I don't understand something." "I would like to know something." "I have a question." These are all the correct things to say. Also, a lot of people commented on my previous Facebook post. I said, "There is something I don't understand." And a lot of people thought that it was not correct to use something with a negative. It was "I don't understand something." And a lot of people said, you should say, "I don't understand anything," because anything is for negatives and something is for positives. That's not 100% true. "I don't anything" means zero. So if you say, "I don't understand anything," that means there are zero things that I understand right now. But if you say, "I don't understand something," that is also correct. It just means there is one thing that I don't understand right now. And the reason I chose that language was because people were saying, I have a doubt. And a doubt is one thing. So to make my language that I'm giving to them similar, we need to use one thing, something. So I have a doubt, incorrect. I don't understand something, correct. I chose something because doubt is singular and something is also singular.